What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here, and today, man, we're gonna do our outdoor flight with the Wonder Chopper, man. Got it here on my landing pad. I did the unboxing the other day. It's a little cool little fighter jet style drone here. I'm gonna take it up real quick for you guys, let you guys see what it's all about outside. All right, this will be my first outdoor flight with it. The Wonder Chopper. All right, this is our first rate. As you can see, I'm full forward, pitching full forward, so it's not too much pitch here in the first rate. Second rate, third rate. So it looks like we're gonna have to be in third rate to fly this guy here outdoors. And she's landing in the snow. Oh yeah, she's landing in the snow, man. The Wonder Chopper. Flip there. She loses a lot of altitude when you flip her. Just gotta be ready to recover. But I like this little thing. For the price, I think this is one of the coolest little things you could ever get for the little 20 bucks. Little fighter jet style drone. And she's plopping down in the snow there. Oh. Definitely looks cool though. Look at that. She comes on past. I think definitely kids will get a blast out of this guy. Flying the Wonder Chopper. We're out of flip, so she must be getting close to the LVC warning. We're going back on in. Bring it on in. She's getting close. Getting a little sluggish there. Did I get her back on the pad? No. It's the Wonder Chopper, guys. Your boy Drones and Dogs. Thanks for watching.